So it's got to that time, I need diesel again. Which isn't normally a problem in most parts of the world, but in America, they don't really have much diesel because they don't have diesel cars. So hopefully, this petrol station does have some diesel. Yeah. And it is very, very cheap over here. They're all automatic here too. You don't have to keep the handle held in, which is useful. Especially if you've got something bigger like this huge truck, which I'm sure takes a lot more filling than a BMW. This thing does look very out of place in America.